Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi setting in our Oppo phone. So in this video guys we will talk about guys how to disconnect Wi-Fi network. Friends, you have connected any Wi-Fi network in your Oppo phone and friends you want to disconnect now. So how can you disconnect in this video guys? I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. First of all guys open your phone setting to disconnect your Wi-Fi network. So friends, you can see guys this type of setting. So first guys you can see your Wi-Fi setting. Friends tap here, and friends you can see we have connected this Mukesh Wi-Fi, and guys we want to disconnect this Wi-Fi network. So guys, how can we disconnect? And guys you can see right side this icon guys, tap here, and guys you can see your Wi-Fi QR code and remove this network. So you want to share guys this Wi-Fi network, so you can share from here, and guys you can see remove this network. So friends tap here to disconnect. So if Wi-Fi network will disconnect guys, we cannot use guys, you want to use, so you will have to connect again. So like that guys, you can disconnect your Wi-Fi network in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.